Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your FundingPips account to MetaTrader 5 quickly and easily. First of all, make sure that you have MetaTrader 5 on your mobile. You can get it from App Store on iPhone or Google Play from Android. Go to MetaTrader 5 and open it. Normally, it should open on the trade screen. Once you are on it, you simply have to go to the bottom menu. Click on the settings, then go to choose a new account. From new account, you have up there the search bar. Click on it and simply search for FundingPips. So let's click here and write down funding. And here it is. We have two with them. So we are going to click on the first one, FundingPips. And once you have done that, you will be on this screen. Now, all it is left to be done is to simply put down your login information and your password. It's very simple and easy. Of course, the server is the main one. And then if you want to save the password, make sure to save it and click on the sign in button, which is in the bottom of the page. It's very simple and easy. That's how you can connect your FundingPips account to MetaTrader 5 in just a few minutes.